Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upstyling some thrift store teacups. Now every time I go to the thrift store, I see tons of teacups, one of a kind, two of a kind, and I always want to buy them, but I never know what to do with them. Well, guess what? Today, we are going to embellish them with Crystal Lane flat back crystals from John Bead and make our tea time a little bit more fancy. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. Are you ready? Let's upstyle some teacups with Crystal Lane flat back crystals. Teacups were first imported from China and India by the East India Trading Company during the time of George IV of the United Kingdom. In the year 1750, a man named Robert Adams influenced the addition of handles to the cups. According to legend, tea has been known in China since about 2700 BC. For millennia, it was a medicinal beverage, but around the 3rd century AD, it became a daily drink, and tea cultivation and processing began. Birch bark, the oldest glue in the world, was in use for at least 50,000 years, from the Paleolithic period up until the time of the Gauls. It was made by heating birch bark and served as an adhesive for making tools and decorating objects. I'm going to leave a link to John Bead and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to find me on Instagram at the Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you next week. Bye!